Hello and welcome to RDX Goa News Bulletin with me, Vidhi. Let's take a look on today's headlines. The Cabinet passes the foster care scheme. CCP imposes restrictions on film shootings in Panaji. And residents of Terracol oppose the golf course and other projects. Now the news in detail. The Cabinet passed the foster care scheme in its meeting on Wednesday. The scheme has been named Vatsalya. This scheme is specially aimed at those children in difficult circumstances whose parents are unable to care for them due to illness, death or any other crisis. The supporting family will be given 2,500 rupees per month under the scheme. The Chief Minister gave this information after the Cabinet meeting on Wednesday.
The foster care scheme आश्रय तिचे नाव मातशें बदललां आमी वात्सल्य आनी पयशांचे 2,500 रुपया प्रत्येक भुरग्या फाटल्यान खंयच्याय वयाचे आसूं 2,500 रुपया हो इतलो फरक करून ती स्कीम अप्रूव केली. Training to sex workers. Victim of this, she gets money and training. या स्कीमीचें नाव प्रभात. नाव बरें सेक्शुअल एक्सप्लॉयटेशनची सेक्स वर्कर्स बी आसता पळय. Objective of this scheme is to provide technical vocational training to sex workers and sexually abused women to enable them to earn for their livelihood by such technical vocational training and scheme. The Department of Humanitarian shall implement it. Victim of commercial sex exploitation and resident of Goa is eligible to apply for the benefit under this scheme. Application for availing the benefit shall be made to the probation officer. Relief 2,500 per month. स्टायपेंड मेळटलो. तेज्या खातीर जें आसा पळय हांकां ट्रेनींग मेळत जर तूं जाल्यार गोवा ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन केलां पळय तातूंत भितर आमी 2 एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करूंक सोदता. इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट वी वील एम्प्लॉय अराउंड बिटवीन 1,000 to 2,000 बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स हू आर वर्किंग इन security and housekeeping.
The Mayor of Panaji, Surendra Furtado, has informed that the permission of City Corporation of Panaji will be necessary to conduct shooting of any film in Panaji. Also, the crew will have to take permission of Traffic Department and respective police station. Several other restrictions will also be imposed. Sanjay Manali reports from Panaji.
In the past, what has happened, my dear friend? In the past, there were Ayarams and Gayarams here. You see? They did what they wanted. वो हमारा आदमी है, उसको हम हेल्प करेंगे. अब हम इधर बैठ रहे हैं, and I will do justice. We have already, I have sent a note that no exhibitions, no shooting will be given before the file comes before me, and it has to come 8 days in advance, and they have to tell us which are the places, which are the streets shooting will go. They have to take prior permission from the police and the traffic. And if we feel that it is okay, because you see, if they shoot early morning, there should be no problem. If they shoot on Saturdays, Sundays, there should be no problem. But if you shoot during the working days in the middle of the road, it's wrong. And you should allow, immediately in Bombay when shooting is going on, they block the traffic. Only during the shoot of the 5 minutes that they block the traffic. That's okay, blocking for 5 minutes is okay. But whether there should be shooting, whether there should be exhibition, should be decided by all my honorable corporators when I call for a special meeting. We had given 3 days shooting licenses in our city. Today what is going on, or tomorrow what is going on, that is in Inox. Inox have given their separate licenses. It is NTR premises. I will call for a special meeting of all my honorable corporators, all 30. All 30. Because any decision has been taken by all 30, and let them tell me what is to be done. Whatever they want, I will do. I will not take decision on my own.
The residents of Terrakol are opposing the golf course and tourist resort which are planned to be constructed there. The builders are cheating the people in the name of development projects. The president of Morcar Association, Francis Rodriguez, has also alleged that 12.5 square kilometers of land has been turned into ecotourism, and Sanjit Rodriguez is responsible for the issue. Sanjay Monali reports from Terrakol.
So अजून हे केन्नाच जावन येवंक ना की गोंया एक कारखाना येयलो वो एक प्रोजेक्ट येयलो आनी सारकेच गोंयकारांकूच जॉब दिलें. हाजी पयले सुवातेर सरकारा कडेन कायद्यान एक प्रेशर दिवपाचें हें ना, एक कायदो कसो ना. सो आनी हें केन्नाच जावंक ना की एक कारखानो येयलो, एक प्रोजेक्ट येयले आनी लोकल लोकांक जॉब दिले म्हूण आमकां खंय मेळना, एक पसून प्रोजेक्ट मेळचें ना. सो ही बेश्टी लोकांक फुडोवपाचें आनी बुलोवपाची टॅक्नीक, तुमकां जॉब मेळटलें आनी कितें मेळटलें. जावं ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंटान जावं ह्या खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटान सारकें इन्फॉर्मेशन ना. आतां इन्फॉर्मेशन खंय लिपोवन दवरलां. सो हें इन्फॉर्मेशन पयलें उक्त जावंक जाय. आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार लोकांचो एकवट आनी लोकांची आसणे थिंगा पावरफूल.
सुरवातेक सान हो प्रोजेक्ट आमी ओपोज करीत आयलेल्यो आहा. पयले सुवातेर जो पळय प्लॅनिंग जी कमिटी जाली आमच्या गोंयान, ते सबन आख्खें तेरखोल इको ट्युरिजम करून सोडलें. एग्रीकल्चर आमचें हें गांव तो येदो व्हडलो 12.5 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर इको ट्युरिजम करप म्हणजे व्हडलें चुकीचें. आनी मेन हेका जबाबदारी आहा संजीत रॉड्रिगीस, जो टास्क फोर्साचो मनीस. हांव ताका चड आनी चड ताका हांव दोश दवरतां, कित्याक तेणें जाणा जावन हें कामां केल्यान म्हणून. संजीत रॉड्रिगीस आनी ह्या संजीत रॉड्रिगीसान तेरखोला येवन कांयच पयलें ना. बाबा वो 12.5 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जे तेणेन लिडींग हॉटेलान घेतल्यात ते बाबा कसली जमीन ती, बेश्टी पाड जमीन ना. हे जमनीन सुमार हजारांनी काजी आसात आनी हजारांनी आनी 100 200 माडूय जायते आसात. आनी असली जमनीक तो इको ट्युरिजम हें करता आनी त्याच्या आदारान हो प्रोजेक्ट तो घालता. तेणें लक्ष लेगून दिलें ना. बाबा हांगा इको झोन 1 झोन आसात, इको झोन 2 बीन आसात, तरी आसतना तुमी इको ट्युरिजम करून उडयल्यात आनी त्याच्या आदारार हो प्रोजेक्ट घालतात. गोल्फ कोर्स आनी ट्युरिस्ट रिसॉर्ट हें चुकीचें आहा. एप्रील मेयान आमकां उदक मेळना, तर ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक आदी फुडें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर पुरी जायनासतना म्हणजे आमकां दिसता की ह्या जमनीचें जें कोणेन घेतलां, जो लिडींग हॉटेलाचो मालक जो कोण आहा, फक्त तेणें गोल्फ कोर्स करूंक न्हू, फक्त जमनी ताब्यान घेवपाक. हांव विचारतां ज्या गांवच्या आमच्या मांद्रेच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या MLA विचारतां, बाबा 250 घरां येतलीं ज्या प्रोजेक्टा प्रमाणे आमकां कळटा 250 घरां येता आनी ह्यार गोल्फ कोर्स येतलो. जाल्यार ह्या 250 कॉटेजी तातूंत आमी फक्त तेंची आयदनां घासपाचीं आनी तेंच्या घरांक झाडू मारपाचें आनी दुसरा जॉब कांय ना. ह्या गोल्फ कोर्साक सगळे ऑपोज करतात.
गोल्फ कोर्स सोडून जर 5 स्टार हॉटेलाचो प्रोजेक्ट येयलो
आनी इको ट्युरिजम.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
हेलो अंकल.
हेलो.
मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ.
थैंक यू किस लिए?
वो एक्चुअली मुझे ना थैलेसीमिया है और हर महीने आप जैसे अंकल आंटी खून देते हैं और मेरी मदद करते हैं, पर मुझे पता नहीं वो कौन है, इसलिए सबको थैंक यू बोल देती हूँ. सो थैंक यू.
पर बेटा मैंने तो कभी ब्लड डोनेट किया ही नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए बाय
बाय। 18 साल की उम्र से रक्तदान करें, ये किसी की जिंदगी बचा सकता है।
करके देखो,
अच्छा लगता है।
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Anywhere at any time, 24-hour service available all over Goa. Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Contact us at 09637 164 777 09822 137 923. Also email us arvind.dabolkar@yahoo.com.
The Grand, in its true reflection of the name, comprises of 150 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Pan Global, the new international standard world cuisine restaurant. It is an exclusive fine dining a la carte restaurant that serves fares spanning the entire globe. Neelam's The Grand, Post Office Road, Kalangut, Bades, Goa.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो? राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो?
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय, म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो?
आमच्या बोंटोनी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय, आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो?
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो?
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो?
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय, म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. The government of Goa has alerted the people after a ship carrying 4,268 containers sank in the sea about 530 nautical miles away from the coast. The ship has developed a crack and all the containers are floating away. These could pose a threat to smaller ships in the ocean. The Chief Minister has informed that he has ordered the Department of Ports to keep the ship from reaching the coast. Gautam Shirodkar reports.
संदर्भात पहिल्यांदा म्हणजे रिपोर्ट आहे त्याप्रमाणे त्याच्यामध्ये शस्त्रास्त्र आहे असा रिपोर्ट आहे, इंटरनेट रिपोर्ट आहे, कन्फर्मेशन झालेलं नाही मला. पण त्यातली जी कंटेनर या गोष्टी आहेत त्या वाहून कुठे जाऊन कुठल्या दुसऱ्या बोटीला एक बुडेपर्यंत त्या जाऊन दुसऱ्या बोटीला डॅमेज करू शकतात, लहान बोटी वगैरे. म्हणून तेवढी एकच प्रिकॉशन. आणि पाऊस आहे, वादळ आहे, त्यामुळे सगळं ते स्फोटक आहे असं अनकन्फर्म रिपोर्ट. एक करून येवची ना, बहुतेक करून येवचे ना, कारण वाऱ्या मातशें बसल्ला आता. पण आणि प्लस द डिस्टन्स इज क्वायट फार, बट वी हॅव टू टेक केअर. इट इज अ व्हेरी बिग बोट. It's a 350 meters long.
तेल किंवा हे असते
ऑफ बॅलन्स झाले ऑफ बॅलन्स झाले जाऊन क्रॅक झाले. नॉर्मल ऑइल विल बी अबाउट 1000 ton, but I don't think that oil spill will come to us. Let's hope, but it's not very big amount, 1000 tons. It's quite far.
The demands regarding the Malam jetty, which are pending for 10 to 15 years, will soon be met, said the Minister of Fisheries, Avirtino Furtado. He visited the Malam jetty and inspected it. MLA of Porvaram, Rohan Kaute, and other dignitaries were also present. Sanjay Monali reports from Betim.
I'll try my best to complete it very soon. Out of the 50 meters, already 30 meters is complete. 20 is left. After the West Bengal consultancy is done, another 67 meters is going to come. So that also everything is done. Only tendering is left. So very soon I'll try and complete it. And there are procedures to be done followed. So the consultancy was there. Then they had a lot of other work also. Now everything is finalized. Only tendering is left. Now for the net mending shed will be done. Then the auction shed will be done. So again we are taking a lot of. Everything will be done first. Don't worry. I'll personally take an interest to do it first. It's already there, no, in this contract work. It's already there, so we'll do it first.
There's been a long pending demand. Malim jetty has been quite an old jetty which needs a lot of work to be done. Congestion of boats. Mandvi Fisheries has been raising this issue for quite some time. And after talking to the association, we decided to have an inspection today. Because त्यांचे long pending demand जे आशिल्ले, work being delayed, work completion जावना, नाल्यार नवे वर्क तांणी सांगिल्ले ते अजून घेवना. ऑक्शन शेडा खातीर जे तांकां एडिशनल सपोर्ट जाय आशिल्लो इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बेसिकली इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रिलेटेड इश्यूज to see that this smooth functioning of the jetty takes place. So for which we had asked for an inspection today. We will review this after 8-10 days to see what the government is doing. And my friend, Honorable Minister of Fisheries, has already assured that he will be taking this on a priority. We will ensure that this particular issue is taken on a priority. So तांचे जे long pending issues आहे 10-15 वर्षांचे issues ते which have not been resolved, we will try to resolve it at the earliest. ऑप्शन हे आसा ऑक्शन शेड वाडोवपाचें आशिल्ली, डॉको थंय फुडें वाडोवपाचो आशिल्लो. आतां 350 समज बोटी आसा ट्रॉलर जाल्यार द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट सफिशियंट.
The Kadamba bus passes will be made like ATM cards, informed the manager of Kadamba Transport, Sanjay Gate. He was speaking after distributing electronic ticket machines to the bus conductors. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
Today we are distributed 100 machines for this depot, from Margao depot. It will be for interstate, all this, plus local
buses, local route also. Total actually in Kadamba we have purchased around 400 machines. And 100% we have started at Vasco, Madgaon and Parvari. Only this Madgaon we are starting from today. And conductors are also happy because they don't have to keep the reports on the after the trip is over. आणि दुसरं म्हणजे सेक्युअर्ड मशीन आसा की एक रूट जसो जालो काय ऑटोमॅटीक ती लॉक जाता, कंटिन्युअस वापरपाक मेळना. तशें जर 1-2 दीस 3 दीस जर मशीन जर आमचे कडेन परत आयलें ना जाल्यार आमकां हांगा बीप सावंड मेळटा. सो वी गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन वीच मशीन इज नॉट रिपोर्टेड. आनी मशीन अशें आसा की पयलीं कितें आसतालें, कंडक्टराची ट्रे घेवन वचची पडटाली आनी खंय वतना जर तांणी बशीन दवरली जाल्यार ती चोरून जर व्हेली जाल्यार टोटल तो व्हॅल्यू आसा तो ताज्या नांवार उरतालो. आतां ह्या मशिनाचें तशें ना, ते जर चोरून सुद्दां व्हेले जाल्यार तो रूट जसो जालो की ऑटोमॅटीक ते लॉक जाता, परत ते कंडक्टराकूच ऑन करचें पडटा. सो वॉट वील बी लुजींग इज ओन्ली मशीन, पूण ते कोणाक उपयोग पडचें ना वापरपाक. हो ह्या मशिनाचो बरो फायदो आसा. दुसरें हांगा रिपोर्ट घेवप सुद्दां आमचें टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉनीक हें आसा आनी वी हॅव कनेक्टेड विथ इंटरनेट टू हेड ऑफीस ऑल्सो. सो आमचे MD चेअरमॅन कोणाकूय बसून खंयच्या रुटाक अर्निंग मेळ्ळा तें ऑटोमॅटिकली डे टू डे आमकां रिपोर्ट मेळटले. दुसरें ट्रीप वायज अर्निंग सुद्दां आमकां मेळटा, म्हणजे त्या प्रमाणे लोड फॅक्टर करून सपोज रुटाक जर आमकां नव्यो बशी घालपाक जाय जाल्यार वी गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन, अप टू डेट इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन डे वायज. दुसरें आमी आतां 1-2 म्हयन्यांनी ताजेर RFID रिडर करतले, जी पास आसा काय ना ते सुद्दां ताजेर स्वेप केले की आमकां कळटलें की वॅलीड पास घेवन तो पॅसेंजर वता काय ना. ते कॉन्टॅक्टलेस आमी RFID रिडर्स कार्ड्स इशू करतले. सो ऑटोमॅटिकली कितें जातलें की कंडक्टराक तो कार्ड सुद्दां पळोवपाची गरज ना, तो बशीन चडलो की ताका कळटलें की कितले पास होल्डर्स आमचे बशीन आसा आनी तेंचे नंबर सगळे जातले आनी जे पास इनवॅलीड आसा काय ना ताजो सुद्दां नंबर येतलो. सो ऑटोमॅटिकली आमकां पॅसेंजर सुद्दां जर इनवॅलीड पास घेवन फिरता जाल्यार ताजी इन्फॉर्मेशन कंडक्टराक रोखडें मेळटलें. आतां प्रत्येकाचे पास चेक करचो पडटा, सो तो हें कमी जातलो. RFID रिडर आसा काय, आतां ही आमचे हें दिता आमी 2 म्हयन्यांनी आमी जशी ATM कार्ड आसा तशी कार्ड्स इशू करतले पास होल्डराक. सो ऑटोमॅटिकली वेन ही कॅरीज द कार्ड इन हीज पॉकेट ते मशिनाचेर रिफ्लेक्ट जाता बिकॉज इट इज अ मॅग्नेटीक कार्ड. सो ऑटोमॅटिकली द कंडक्टर वील गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन which number pass passenger is sitting inside.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
अंकल आप ठीक हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू. ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ.
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी.
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं इंसान होना जरूरी है. रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती, शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है.
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है.
सुची लग्न उपरांत तुका आमच्या घरांत कितें जाय?
प्रिन्स.
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 Prince Furniture is #1 furniture showroom for all your home furnishing needs. Comfortable and designer sofas, stylish divans, spacious and best quality wardrobes for strong and latest designing dining tables, for wall mount showcases, for large variety of stylish beds. Visit our showroom at Piran Industrial Estate and Karaswada Mhapsa.
आमच्या स्वप्नातले घर सजयता प्रिन्स फर्निचर.
तुमचे घर कोण सजयता?
Prince Furniture is the best furniture.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतियाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयलां तें कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना. पूण ॲन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट अँड ॲडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून ॲडमिशन घे फकत ॲन इन्स्टिट्यूट, पोरवोरेम.
The best of the best. An Institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology.
Many options, one name.
An Institute.
Nova Siddharth Commercial Complex, S1 Building, 2nd floor, Porvorim, Goa.
Admissions now open for 3-year BSc in Hotel Management.
Eligibility 12th pass.
Now An Institute is affiliated to Bharatiya University, Coimbatore. For admissions, contact 2411-350.
The Glitz, in their true reflection of the names, comprise of 150 and 46 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Fish just the way you like it. Experience a stunning variety of fresh seafood delicacies. Here, exotic ingredients and mouth-watering sauces come together in a symphony of flavors, just the way you like it. Managed by Soza Lobo, Neelam Hotels, The Glitz Goa, Kalangut, Bardez, Goa.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत
संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाणे आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागे बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center. Specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
औरतों के लिए हमेशा से बचत का मतलब होता है सोना, लेकिन सोना खरीदने के लिए कभी कभी हमारे पास उतने पैसे भी तो नहीं रहते। पर अब इसके कोई परेशानी नहीं। मुथूट मिनी के MME गोल्ड जो है,
मुथूट मिनी प्रस्तुत करते हैं MME गोल्ड। अपने पैसों को किश्तों में जमा करके सोना खरीद सकते हैं। इसके अलावा अपने अकाउंट में जमा सोने के मूल्य पर लोन भी पा सकते हैं। आइए, सोना खरीदने के लिए अब अधिक रुपयों की जरूरत नहीं।
From Muthut Mini stands by you always.
Welcome back. In another incident of theft, unknown thieves broke into a flat in Ravanford and robbed goods and cash worth 3 lakh rupees. The robbery took place in the house of Sunil Khore. The people of Margao are living under the shadow of fear these days, since such robberies are taking place even in broad daylight. Mandar Nayak reports from Margao.
In the garage, and I was walking towards my residence over there. Okay, I clashed with this guy, so-called a robber or a thief, whatever. He was carrying big bags, broad color bags, and definitely there was some valuables or a TV concealed in there. When I clashed with him, he just turned back and looked at me, and I walked to my residence. I found the door quite flung open of the victim, the person whose house was robbed, and my door was lashed from outside because he might thought that my wife would have opened the door, resulting she couldn't open the door. And my dogs were barking. When I saw in the opposite house, the house was totally ransacked. I saw the TV missing, I saw the video missing, and I saw all the things being scattered around over there. I called my wife, she came in, and immediately we called our neighbors who came and saw and visualized the whole thing about it. And I called one of the victim's family friend, Mr. Fatke, and he was there. And he did the needful by calling the media and the cops and everything. The exact time was 2:35. 2:35 in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Mr. Fatke was here because we contacted him somehow, and he came. He saw the whole thing, studied the whole place, and I think he's the one who called the police. Okay. Yeah. He informed me also later on. Informed Mr. Sunil, who was on duty at Verna in the industrial estate that time. And no sooner about that than he came over here. He saw the whole place, and to his utter dismay.
The MLA of Banaulim, Kaitan Silva, said that the children should be made aware of the effects of narcotic drugs at school level itself. A rally of students was organized to create awareness about the use of drugs in Panaji. Mandar Nayak and Sanjay Monali's report.
I really time to time भुरग्यांक स्कुलांनी दाखोवचे ड्रग्स घेवन कित्याक घडटा ते, कित्याक हे भुरग्यांची लायफ आमच्या ड्रग्साक लागून स्पेशली कोस्टल बेल्टाक ड्रग्स चड चलता. तर पेरंट्सांनी आनी तशेंच टिचरांनी भुरग्यांचेर एटेन्शन दवरपाक जाय, कित्याक आतां भुरगे ड्रग्सान तांकां फसोवपी जायते जाण आसा. हो टायम तांचो इजी टार्गेट ल्हान भुरगे आतां व्हडले आसा शिकून भायर सरले ते जाणात एटलिस्ट ल्हान भुरगे आसा तांकां आमी इस्कॉलांनी ओ घरांनी सांगलें ड्रग्स उमकोवप बरो न्ही म्हणून तांचो एटलिस्ट भुरग्याचो फ्युचर बरो उरतलो. नाजाल्यार ह्या ड्रग्साच्या फाटल्यान भोंवन आमचें जनरेशन आसा ती काबार. आनी जाता इतलें आमचे पुलिसूनय कोस्टल बेल्टाक कोण ड्रग्स विकतात कोणाचें इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें ह्या मनशांक धरून भितर उडोवंक जाय ऑर पनिशमेंट.
Today is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. We have organized this rally with a message to create an awareness among young people. We are also want to create a drug-free society in the state of Goa. At Positive People, we are specially catering to rehabilitating the injecting drug users with oral substitution therapy and needle exchange program, with also a motive to control the HIV infection.
An organization named Giants Group of Bhatgram have given steps to help the flood-affected people of Uttarakhand. The members of Giants Group of Bhatgram have informed that the collected funds will be handed over to the Chief Minister. Yashwant Parab reports from Bicholim.
आमकां सगळ्या भारतीयांक सगळ्या नागरिकांक दुखाची गजाल आसा. उत्तराखंड आज जे उत्तराखंडान जे आज जिवीत तयार जाल्या किंवा जी संपत्ती हानी जाल्ली आसा ती तशी भरून न्हू येवपा सारकी. पूण जायंट्स ग्रूप ऑफ बतग्राम आमकां दिसलें की हे जे जालें तें आमच्या देश बांधवांचेर जाल्लें आसा. उत्तराखंडांतले लोक हाका बळी पडलेले ना, तर देशाच्या विविध भागांतल्यान आयिल्ले जे भक्त आसले तांकांय हाचें लुकसाण जाल्लें आसा. आनी हें लुकसाण भरपाई तशी जावची ना. सरकार तशेंच वेगवेगळ्यो संस्था आज फुडें सरलेल्यो आसात. राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघा सारकी संघटना थंय कार्यरत जाल्ली आसा. आमकांय दिसलें गोंयच्यान कितें तरी तांकां हातभार लावचो. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हाणें बी सरकारी मदत दिवपाचें आव्हान केल्लें आसा. आनी दिवचलेंतल्यान आमची संस्था बतग्राम जायंट्स ग्रूप ऑफ बतग्राम आमी ठरयलें की आमी एक फुडाकार घेवन दिवचलेंतल्यान उत्तराखंड रिलीफ फंड उबो करचो. आनी हो रिलीफ फंड आसा तो आमी चीफ मिनिस्टर जो फंड आसा ताका आमी ते दितले. चीफ मिनिस्टराक जो कितें आज फंड आमी दिवचलें जमा करतले तो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांकां सुपूर्द करतले, जेणे करून तो उत्तराखंडाक पावतलो. म्हणजे दिवचलच्या सगळ्या नागरिकांक तशेंच वेगवेगळ्यो संस्था आसात. आयज खुबश्या संस्थांनी फुडाकार घेवचो ठरयल्लो आसा. आमीच न्हय तर आमी ज्यो बाकीच्यो संस्था आसात तांकांय बरोबर घेवन उत्तराखंडा खातीर एक फंड तयार करपाचो ठरयल्लो. त्या निमित्तान एक ल्हानशी बैठक आसा आनी एक अपील आसा लोकांक की जायंट्स ग्रूप ऑफ बतग्राम आनी बाकीच्यो ज्यो संस्था आसात, NGOज आसात, तांच्यांनी आमच्या बरोबर किंवा आमीच आमच्या बरोबर काम करेल जाल्यार हे जे आमी जे संकल्प दवरलेलो आसा की उत्तराखंडा खातीर एक रिलीफ फंड तयार करपाचो तो तयार जातलो.
Before we wind up, here's the recap of the headlines. The cabinet passes the foster care scheme. CCP imposes restrictions on film shootings in Panaji. And residents of Terrakol oppose the golf course and other projects. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.